exercise, that is 2.1. So what is exercise 2.1? In previous video we have discussed about the examples, and we have also solved some, we have seen what the definitions of some important definitions in previous video. Now today we are going to discuss some important questions regarding exercise, that is 2.1. So let's come and join. So what is the question? Question is, second part of this is it is x equal 2, y equal 3, x equal 4, y equal 2, x equal 6, y equal 1. So these some data are given. X equal 2, x equal 2, okay, so it is a 6 1 4 2 2 3. These are some values, and if it is in AP or not, just check it. It is a 1 2 3, so it is in AP, and 3 2 1 1. So we are going to check, just check it. Tn equal it is a 2 4 2 4 6. So what is the data? 2 4 6. Okay, so we are going to solve this question. Let's see how can we solve. These are 2 and 4 and 6 are the values. Okay, so what can we do? We are going to arrange it in proper way. It is a 2 4 6 and 1 2 3. So I write it again. It is a y equal 1, then x equal 6, y equal 2. So it is a x equal 4 and y equal 3. So it is x equal 2. So it is in order. It is in order 1 2 3. So we are taking 6 4 2. It is a value of y. When we are saying about the tn equal a plus n minus 1 d, I am going to check. What about the a is a 6. What about the d? D is the 6 minus 4. So we can say 4 minus 6. It is a minus 2. So d equal minus 2, and 2 minus 4, it is also minus 2. So we can say the difference is a minus 2 and a equals 6. So what is the y? So tn, what is the tn? Tn is the x. So x equal a is the 6 plus n minus 1, and it is a n means we are saying about the y. So it is a y minus 1, and the value of d is minus 2. So x equal 6 minus 2y plus 2. So it is a x minus, it is a tn. Tn means when we are saying about the x, it is a x equal 8 minus 2y. So it is 2y equal 8 minus x. So what is the value? Y equal, we can write here x plus 2y equal 8. So students, what is the relation? A relation is same way we can say that R is the x comma y, where x comma y belongs to n, and x plus 2y equal 8. X plus 2y equal 8 is the some rule of this, where y is less than equal 4 and y is less than equal 4. Because it is a 1 2 3 only, so we can say that it is answer. So by this way we can say that it is a x plus 2y equal 8. So this is the second question. Now we are going to solve third question. What is the third question? Let's see. It is a 2 1 3 2. Okay, now we are on third question. Let's see. It is a 2 comma 1. It is a x equal 2. The values are given. That what is the relation between them? It is a 2 3 4 5. It is a x equal 2, y equal 1, x equal 3, y equal 2, x equal 4, y equal 3, x equal 5, y equal 4, and so on. So it is a 2 3 4 5, that's all, and 1 2 3 4 is here. So it is a y equal 1 2 3 4, then x equal something. So it is in order. So 1 2 3 4. So a equal, we can say that Tn equal a plus n minus 1 d. It is a 3 minus 2, so we can say that it is a 1. So Tn equal a means 2 plus n minus 1, and d is a 1. So it is Tn equal 2 plus n minus 1, Tn equal 1 plus n, means Tn, what is the Tn? Tn is the y. So what is the Tn? Tn is the 2 3 4, it is a Tn, the values of x. So it is x equal 1 plus y. So what is the value? Y equal x minus 1. So what is the y? Y equal x minus 1. Suppose it is a the value of x is a 2, so it is 2 minus 1, so it is 1. What about here? It is suppose it is x equal 3, so 3 minus 1, so it is 2. X equal 4, so it is a 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1, so it is a 3. Put x equal 5, so we can say that 5 minus 1, it is a 4. So what is the relation, students? When we are saying about the relation, we can say that x comma y belongs to n, and y equal x minus 1. It is a relation between them. Number 3 is a relation R from set A equal 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 to set B 2 4, it is 2 3 6 7 10 3 6 7 10 3 6 7 10 3 6 7 10 is defined in such a way that x or y, x is the prime number related to y. X is the prime number related to y. X is prime number related to y. Write relation R. Write relation R in the set from order pair and also find domain and range. So students, this is a question, this is a very interesting question. Relation R from set A 2 3 4 5 to set B is the 3 6 7 10, and is defined in such a way that x or y implies x is the prime number related to y. X should be a prime number related to y. Write the relation R. We have to find the relation R and also find domain and codomain. So firstly, I write the given that A equal 2 3 4 5 is given, and the value B is also given, that is 3 6 7 10. It is given 3 6 7 10. And what is the relation? I also write x or y is the relation, and it is such x comma y is prime number related for every x comma y belongs to R. So it is a given, students, this is a given, x or y implies x comma y is the prime number related to y. So how can we solve? Let's see. what is the number when we are saying about number a and b are called co-prime number if there is no common factor except 1. So there should not be any common element, only one element should be common, that is 1. Okay, so it is called co-prime. When we are saying about a co-prime, always remember that there should be only one common, that's all, nothing else. Okay, so we are taking some one by one element. So when we are saying about the 2 x equal to, when x equal to, so is it common between 2 and 3? No, means y equal y should be it is a 3, y should be 3, and it is a 2 and 6 is a common, 2 is common, so y is 3 and it is 3 and 7, and 2 and 10 is also common too. So we have to take only two things, means when x equal to then we have to use two elements, means 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 7 belongs to R. When we are saying about the 2, take x equal to, look at here, 2 and 3 there is no common element, so we had taken, and 2 and 6 is having common element, that is the 2, and so we now take 2 and 7 is not having any element, and 2 and 10 is also common element except 1. Okay, so we have taken x equal to. Now x equal 3. So x equal 3. So when we take x equal 3, what is the relation between them? 3 and 3 is a common one, but 3 is also common, so we don't take. So x equal 3. So we can say that 3 with 6 is a common. 3 is the 3 with 7. It is a not common, 3 comma 7, and 3 comma 10. 3 comma 10 also we can take, because there is not common element between 3 and 10. So it belongs to R. Now x equal 4. When x equal 4, what is happened? X equal 4, then 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 does not having any prime number. 4 comma 3 is we can take 4 comma 3, and 4 comma 7 also we can take 4 comma 7, and 4 comma 6 is having element, 4 comma 7 we take, 4 comma 10 is also having element, so this belongs to R. So now we are going to take next element, that is x equal 2, 3, 4, x equal 5. So what is the value when we are taking x equal 5? So we can say that it is 5 comma 3, because there is no common element. 5 comma 6 it is 5 comma 7, and 5 comma 10 we can't take. Okay, so it belongs to R. So by this way we can say that what is the relation is R equal, it is a 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 7, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 10, it is a 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 7, it is a 5 comma 3, 5 comma 6 and 5 comma 7, it is belongs to R. So we can say that 2 comma 3, 2 comma 7, it is a relation 2 comma 3, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 10, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 6 and 5 comma 7 is the relation between them. So these are the values, these are the relations between them. Now question arises, what is the domain? So I always say, told you, when we are saying about the domain, always remember that first element of it is called the domain. So elements are 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the domain. What is the range? When we are saying about the range, backward elements are the range. So it is 3, 3, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 6. That's all. 3, 6, 7. So we can say that 3, 6, 7 is your answer. So we can say that it is 3, 6, 7, any element is left, 3, 7, okay, 10. 3, 6, 7, 10 is your answer. This is the range, because backward area is 3, 7, 10, 7, 3, 6, 7. Okay, so 3, 6, 7, 10 is the range, and domain is the 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 is the domain of this, and this is the range. Okay, so by this way we can solve the questions of relations. I think it is sufficient distance for today. We will meet in next video. Till that, bye bye, take care.